Udita Arya. So my today's video is very important for various examinations like UPSC, State PCS, SSC, etc. So today we will discuss about the Indian states which lie on the Tropic of Cancer, the maritime boundaries, and some other important facts about our country India. So we will start from the Indian states which lie on the Tropic of Cancer. So there are total 8 states which lie on the Tropic of Cancer. They are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. So now we will move to the maritime boundaries of our country India. So here this is a small country, it is Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Gulf of Mannar, Parkway and Park State. Then here this is the Andaman Sea. So Andaman Sea separates the Andaman and Nicobar, the parts of India, from Myanmar, so this is Myanmar. Then Thailand, and Indonesia. So now we will move here. So here we see the Maldives. So this 8-degree channel separates the Maldives and the Lakshadweep Islands, the part of India. So now we will move on to the other facts about our country India. So as we know that India is the world's largest democracy and it is the second most populous country in the world after China. Its total population is 1.25 billion and its total area is 32,87,263 kilometers square. So now India's position on the latitude is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. Then the India's position on the longitudes is 68 degree 7 minutes east and 297 degree 25 minutes east. So now the distance between the north to the south is 3114 kilometers. It's 3200. And the distance between east to west is 2933 kilometers. So now the total landlocked boundary of India is 15,200 kilometers. And the total coastline of the mainland of India is 6,100 kilometers. And the landlocked and the total coastline, including the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Island, is 7,516 kilometers. Then the exclusive economic zone is 200 nautical miles. And the territorial sea is 12 nautical miles. So now, the highest point of India is situated here. So it is Mount Ketu. It is here. So it is 8,611 meters high. So now, the lowest point of our country India is situated here in Kerala. So it is Kattanad. It is minus 2.2 meters. So now, the northernmost point of our country India is situated near Siachen Glacier. So it is, Siachen Glacier is here and the point is this. It is Indra-Col. So now, the easternmost point of our country India is Kibithu in Arunachal Pradesh. So now, the southernmost point of our country India is situated in Andaman and Nicobar. It is in the Great Nicobar Island. It is here. It is Indra Point. Now, the southernmost point of the country India, of the mainland, is Cape Kamari in Tamil Nadu in Kanyakumari. It is here. Now, the westernmost point of our country India is situated in Gujarat near Guwahati. It is Sir Creek. Then here we see the Lakshadweep Sea. So Lakshadweep Sea separates our country India and the Lakshadweep Islands, the part of India. Then here this Bay of Bengal separates the country India and it's part of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Then this 10-degree channel separates the Andaman Islands and the Nicobar Islands. So now we have completed all the topics. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my video and bye.